The Secret of the Golden Watch. Story number 6. Once, there was a young man named Leo. Leo was a very fast runner. He was also very impatient. He wanted everything right now. He wanted to be rich. He wanted to be famous. He wanted to be the best. But most of all, Leo wanted more time. Leo lived in a small village with his grandfather, Samuel. Samuel was a very calm man. He worked as a clockmaker. He moved slowly, spoke softly, and always had a smile on his face. One day, Leo was shouting, "I am so tired of this slow life. I want to do great things, but there is never enough time." Samuel looked at Leo. He went to a wooden box and took out a beautiful, golden watch. "Leo," Samuel said, "this is a special watch. If you turn the key, time will go faster. You can skip the boring parts of your life." Leo's eyes grew wide. "Really? Give it to me." Leo took the watch. The next morning, he had a difficult exam at school. He was nervous and felt fear. He didn't want to wait. He turned the key. Suddenly, the exam was over. He had his grade. He passed, but he didn't remember anything he learned. A week later, Leo was waiting for a girl he liked. He felt sadness because she was late. "I hate waiting," Leo thought. He turned the key. Suddenly, he was married to her. He skipped the dating, the first kiss, and the long walks. Leo became addicted to the watch. He skipped his long work hours to get his paycheck. He skipped his workouts to see his muscles grow. He skipped the winter to feel the summer sun. Years passed in seconds. Leo was rich. He was successful. But he felt a strange regret in his heart. One day, Leo looked in the mirror. He saw an old man with white hair and many wrinkles. He panicked. Where did his life go? He ran to his grandfather's shop. The shop was empty and dusty. He found a letter. It said, "Leo, you skipped the rain, so you never saw the rainbow. You skipped the work, so you never felt the pride." Leo felt a deep, heavy sadness. He had skipped his grandfather's funeral. He had skipped his children's first steps. He was at the end of his life, but he had no memories. He had $1 million, but 0 moments of joy. He held the golden watch and cried. "Please," he whispered, "I don't want to skip anymore. I want to feel the pain. I want to feel the weight. I just want my life back." Leo closed his eyes tightly. When he opened them, he heard a sound. Tick, tick, tick. He was sitting in the small shop. He was young again. His grandfather, Samuel, was standing there holding the wooden box. It was all a dream or maybe a warning. Leo felt a massive wave of hope. He hugged his grandfather tightly. He didn't ask for the watch. Instead, he went outside and sat on a bench. He watched the clouds move slowly. He felt the cold wind. He was waiting for a friend, and for the first time in his life, he was happy to wait. Moral: life is not a race to the finish line. The beauty of life is found in the moments between the big events. Do not rush your life, or you might find you have reached the end without ever truly living. Thank you for watching this story until the very end. Hit the like button. Subscribe. What is more important to you? Money or time? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.